Hey, what is up, you guys? It's Paris.
What's up? I'm hungry AF.
So
I want some smacking Velveeta mac and cheese. So we're gonna take it off.
Yep.
We're gonna get this super real, authentic, 100% cheese out.
Oh, straight from the cow.
Yeah, right from the cow. And then in here we got our shells and the weird like chemical powder stuff that makes it like good to eat or whatever. So we're gonna notice how in here there's a line in the plastic. Maybe we can try to get the camera to get that.
Oh yes, right there it says do not over.
Yeah, so that's gonna be the limit for our water. So we're gonna go in there with that healthy tap water. There we go. Right at the line.
Right at the line.
I don't know how long it's supposed to be in the microwave. Oh, 3.5 minutes.
3.5 minutes, baby.
So we're gonna open the microwave up. I don't know.
Press 3 and then press add 30 seconds.
Okay, yeah. I don't know how if like any of you have used the microwave before.
Close it. Oh yeah, we have. It's really hard.
Shit, where is it though? There she is. Okay.
Good job.
3 minutes?
Then we're
now we're gonna wait.
Wait, and then we wait.
That's long.
Okay. That's long. Okay, guys, it's almost done.
Alright, I'm
Almost
so
ready.
excited
Here we go, and
to
there
see
we
how
go.
this turned out. Alright,
Okay.
so we got our noodles nice and moist and like just
yes.
ready
Al
for some
dente,
cheese,
baby.
right? And then we just open her up and we got some of that nice, pure, 100%
Yeah,
real.
100% all natural,
I
vegan,
can't believe I have to touch it.
organic, gluten-free.
Oh god, that
that's
looks
just
delicious.
So good,
So good. Then we gotta squeeze the rest of this authentic cheese out.
This out.
Look at that cheese. That looks so good. The way it just plops into
This
my...
is ASMR.
Squeeze it. Ooh. Yeah, let me get in there for you guys, for you freaks. Oh, it's all over my fingers. Love it.
That's absolutely nasty.
And I can make fun of it as much as I want, but it's crazy because that's gonna end up in my stomach anyways. Like I'm still gonna eat
in your
it.
intestines for the next 7 years.
Yeah, but it's all good because it's really good and I'm really hungry. I feel like I haven't eaten in hours and days.
Yeah.
Because we were
Days,
on our
months,
feet for
years.
ever. Okay, this is really gross, really messy.
Yeah, just
I'm gonna throw it
really
away.
gross, really messy, just as a...
Messy. I don't want to mess up my nails.
Yeah, you guys, nails done.
Just got them done today.
Oh, just got them done today at the salon. Love that.
Alright, so we got the cheese in the noodles.
Yeah.
But as you notice, the cheese is really weird and it needs to be mixed with the noodles.
Yes, it does.
So, what we're gonna do... Should I do a fork or spoon? I'm feeling a fork.
I think a fork too. I think a fork would help better.
Just getting in there,
Yeah.
you know, because these little prongs will...
Yeah.
So
It'll
here we
really
go.
dig into the cheese.
We're just gonna start just right away, just getting into it. Cheese mixing. Yeah, and our mac and cheese is ready, by the way, so
Oh, love that.
that's good.
Good job, Paris.
Excited to dig in, guys.
Okay, that's it for...
That's
oh, you have to
it.
taste it on camera.
Oh, okay. Let's see.
Okay, guys, here's the taste. Oh. Do that again. Start again. So put this down. Okay.
Alright.
Here we go. How's it?
Mmm.
Ooh, that shit hits.
Just like mom used to make.
Love it.
This is delicious.
All right, thank you guys.
Thank you
That's
so
it
much for tuning in. Make sure to like, subscribe. I want to go in the comments and see what you guys think of this mac and cheese, and you guys can give suggestions for like further foods you want to see me make.
Yeah.
You know what we can whip up in the kitchen and stuff. You know, I want to hear from you guys.
We'll
Thank you so much.
Thank
Have
you
a
guys.
blessed night.